I think Ben likes the water. He's just trying to catch it, not drink it. Playing with the water fan. Good boy. Good boy. Hey. Hi, Sam. Okay, you're a good boy.